హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నేను మీ రాజేష్ దొంతుల. ఆల్రెడీ లాస్ట్ యాక్టివిటీ మనము డైల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్స్ బేసెస్ చూసామమ్మా. ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ డైల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ ఆర్ బేసెస్. డైల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ ఆర్ బేసెస్ టైం we touch the beaker bottom, we will feel the hotness. Take a test tube, pour 10 ml of water, add concentrated sulfuric acid drop by drop and touch the bottom of the beaker. You feel hotness. You feel hotness. You feel hotness. That's meaning in chemical reaction happened, a dilution process time, more heat generated. So dilution process is a exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? In a chemical reaction, heat energy is liberated. Liberate ante releases ani vidudala avtam ani antam anamata. In a chemical reaction, heat energy is liberated. That is a exothermic reaction. Okay, acids and bases or dilution process is a exothermic reaction amma. ఎందుకంటే యాసిడ్స్ ని కానీ బేసెస్ ని కానీ విలీనం చేసేటప్పుడు అంటే డైల్యూషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎక్కువ ఉష్ణం అనేది విడుదలవుతుందమ్మా. మోర్ హీట్ అనేది జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి డైల్యూషన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఎగ్జోథర్మిక్ రియాక్షన్ అమ్మా. ఎండోథర్మిక్ రియాక్షన్ కూడా ఉంటుందమ్మా. సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఏమవుతుందంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నైట్రోజన్ ఆక్సిజన్ మిక్స్ చేసాం అనుకోండమ్మా, నైట్రిక్ ఆక్సైడ్ వస్తుంది. ఆ టైంలో ఏమవుతుందంటే బేకర్ అనేది కూల్గా ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈజ్ ఎండోథర్మిక్ రియాక్షన్ అమ్మా. అంటే ఎండోథర్మిక్ రియాక్షన్ అంటే ఇన్ ఏ కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్ హీట్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ అబ్జార్బ్డ్. Heat energy is absorbed. We feel coolness. That is a endothermic reaction. Okay, all of you remember. Next one, how strong are acid or base solution? How strong are acid or base solutions? అంటే యాసిడ్స్ బేసెస్ ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్, ఏవి స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటాయి, ఏవి వీక్గా ఉంటాయి అనేది మనం తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాం. అయితే ఆల్రెడీ యు నో ద ఇండికేటర్స్, బ్లూ లిట్మస్, రెడ్ లిట్మస్, మిథైల్ ఆరెంజ్ అండ్ ఫినాఫ్థలిన్. ఆల్రెడీ యు నో, ఆల్రెడీ ఐ సెడ్ బిఫోర్ క్లాసెస్. నౌ యూనివర్సల్ ఇండికేటర్ అమ్మా. యూనివర్సల్ ఇండికేటర్ షోస్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్ and different concentration in solution amma. Universal indicator shows different color and different concentration in solution amma. Dip the universal indicator any solution, that universal indicator shows a different color amma. Based on color, concentration, given substance or given solution, strong acid or weak acid or neutral or weak base and strong base we can identify amma. So universal indicator is help amma. Next we will understand the pH scale amma. We will understand the pH scale amma. pH scale. P means potentium. P means potentium. In German language, potentium means power. In German language, potentium means power. Okay. Measure the concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution. Measure the concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution is called pH scale. pH scale is given by Sorensen. Okay, first to measure the concentration of hydrogen ion was Sorensen. pH scale is derived by Sorensen. In German language, pH is potentium. Potentium means power. Okay, so potential of hydrogen ion. Potential of hydrogen ion. So measure the concentration of hydrogen ion. Measure the concentration of hydrogen ion. Concentration of hydrogen ion is more, pH value is less. Concentration of hydrogen ion is less, pH value is more. But pH values are from 0 to 14. pH values are from 0 to 14. But pH value exactly 7, that is a neutral solution. pH value exactly 7, that is a neutral solution. From 0 to 7 are acids. From 0 to 7 acids, exactly 7 neutral solution. 7 to 14 bases. 7 to 14 bases. Okay, pH value from 0 to 14, exactly 7 neutral solutions. From 0 to 7 acids, 7 to 14 bases. pH formula, Protonja of hydrogen ion formula, pH equal to minus log H plus base 10. This is the formula of pH. pH equal to minus log H plus base 10. This formula was given by Sorensen. For example, H plus concentration is 10 power minus 1, then the pH value minus log H plus value 10 power minus 1 base 10, that equals to, already minus is there, a power log a power minus m formula minus m log a, minus m log a, log a power m formula m log a. So here minus is there, already minus before. Okay, so minus 1 into log 10 base 10. So minus into minus plus, 1 into log 10 base 10 value also 1. Log a base a equals to 1. Log a power m equal to m log a, log a base a value 1. So once again, pH equals to minus log H plus base 10. So H plus value, if H plus equal to 10 power minus 1, then pH value is 1. Substitute H plus value in formula 10 power minus 1. According to formula, log a power minus m equal to minus m log a. Already minus is there, minus 1 right before. Log 10 base 10. Log a base a equal to 1. So log a base a equal to 1. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 equals to 1. So pH value 1. H plus concentration is 10 power minus 1. H plus concentration is 10 power minus 14. pH equals to 14. H plus concentration 10 power minus 7, pH equals to 7. Okay. H plus concentration 10 power minus 3, pH value 3. So easily we can say if we take HCl or CH3COOH, HCl or CH3COOH, HCl gives more concentration of H plus ions, but CH3COOH gives less concentration of ions. So HCl is a strong acid, CH3COOH is a weak acid. Already I said pH scale from 0 to 14, 0 to 2 strong acids, okay, 0 to 3 strong acids, next to 3 to 7 weak acids, 7 neutral solution, 7 to 10 weak base amma, 10 to 14 weak strong base amma, strong base. That means in examination point of view, which of the following is a strong base, which of the following is weak base, which of the following strong acid, which of the following weak base, so here HCl is the strong acid, CH3COOH is the weak acid. HCl contain more concentration power of H plus ions, HCl releases more H plus ion concentration, but CH3COOH gives lesser concentration of H plus ions. Same and same. NaOH gives more concentration of OH minus ions, and NH4OH gives less concentration of OH minus ions. So NaOH is a strong base, NH4OH is a weak base. The strength of acid or base decide the we can decide also universal indicators using. Next 0 to 3 aithe strong acid, 3 to 7 aithe weak acid. Exact ga pH value 7 unte neutral solution, 7 to 10 unte weak base, 10 to 14 unte strong base amma. Okay, for example, HCl is a strong acid, CH3COOH is a weak acid amma. NaOH strong base, NH4OH is the weak base amma. Next, in case H plus concentration or pH value given time, we can find the 4 types. For example, H plus concentration is 10 power minus 3. H plus concentration is 10 power minus 3. pH value 3 amma. pH value 3 amma. pH 3 aithe POH వచ్చేసి 11 ఉంటుందమ్మా. 3 plus 11 14, because pH indicates from 0 to 14. Next, OH concentration 10 power minus 11 amma. POH 11, so OH minus concentration 10 power minus 11. Next, H plus concentration 10 power minus 5. Easily we can say 10 power minus 5, so pH value 5. pH value 5, POH value 5 plus 9 14, so POH 9 amma. So OH minus concentration 10 power minus 9 amma. OH minus concentration 10 power minus 9. In case in examination point of view, any one value given, we can find remain values amma. For example, OH minus concentration 10 power minus 14 amma. 10 power minus 14 amma. So POH 14 plus 0 0. So H plus concentration 10 power 0 amma. POH 10 power minus 12. Okay. So POH value 12 plus 2 14, so pH value 2, H plus concentration 10 power minus 2. For example, POH, let the pH value given, pH value 7, pH value 7, H plus concentration 10 power minus 7. Okay, 7 plus 7 14, so POH also 7. So OH minus concentration also 10 power minus 7. Okay. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. నా వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ఎక్కువ మందికి చేరేలాగా మీరు ఇచ్చేటువంటి లైక్స్ షేర్స్ చాలా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.